Stop choke, stop choke. Game on, face on, face on. How will you say Kiefer's style? I use you and the whole section knows Edric style. Look in the camera.
I used you. And the whole section knows it.
Pag Edric.
I use you. And the whole section knows it.
Martin. Paano mo sasabihin yung kay Kiefer na lane niya kanina? I use you and the whole section he knows it. Bilang batang ama. Ano yung line niya? I used you and the whole section he knows it.
I used you.
Ano Rufa May?
I used you.
I used you.
The whole section knows it.
Yeah. JJ. Sakto pagkapan ko sa kanya, gulo siya.
Ito, paano mo sasabihin yung line ni Kiefer na I use you and the whole section he knows it. Rory style. Bilang Rory. Serious rin siya. Hindi, kasi ikaw mo.
I used you. The whole section knows it.
Sinaksak ka.
Si Robin.
Rab. Paano mo sasabihin yung line ni Kiefer kung ikaw yung magsasabi na I use you and the whole section he knows it? Bilang Yuri Hanamichi. Rolling, camera rolling.
The whole section knows it.
Akala ko hindi siya maglilinya kasi mostly kasi sa mga scenes niya nakagana na siya. Tahinig lang talaga siya.
Si Charles. Busy on his phone.
Ito si David. Ito, David. Ano ko? How will you say Kiefer's line bilang David? Kung ikaw magsasabi nun, David dapat.
No, I used you.
Oo. David
I used you. And the whole section knows it.
Mali. Di ba dapat si David may cellphone? May katawagan. Ayun.
Lahat ng eksena niya